Alright, we traded today. Let's talk about what happened. Okay, what the fuck? Hold on. I know. Okay. Go. Alright. Let's talk about what happened. Okay, we talked a little bit on, what's it called, that I was probably going to go for sells. I didn't. Why did I not? Let's talk about it. Alright. So, on the 1 hour, you can't really tell on the 4 hour. 4 hour, we're going up before market opens. 1 hour, what did we have? We had this SMT that was formed up to here, right? And that's if we were to reverse this. For this SMT to be cleared off of this low, we would have to get down to this low right here, okay? So that was why I was bearish, okay? But we go into the day, we can see what happened, okay? Again, we're looking at this point right here, okay? We immediately get down to that point. By the way, this is just a, I don't know what that is. To be honest, I don't know what that is. I'm sorry. I don't know what this line is. This is probably, oh, you know what this is? This is probably from this. I just accidentally moved. So we immediately, 5 minutes in, immediately go all the way down. No liquidity sweep, just fucking immediate rip. Yeah? Okay. So we immediately, excuse me, sorry, complete this SMT on NASDAQ. Okay? And at the same time, we make a bullish SMT. As you can see, we went below previous day highs on NASDAQ. We did not on S&P. Okay, so first Confluence, SMT. Okay, we're looking to trade on S&P here because the SMT, in the SMT, S&P is leading. Okay, we also at the same time inverse this fair value gap. Because yes, this is a white candle, but it really isn't. It's not. I'm not counting this. This is a fucking doji. This is nothing like that. As you can see here, that same candle was a down candle. So I don't count that. Okay, wait for that first up candle. This is the SMT. Okay, we also inverse this fair value gap. So we mark out fair value gap and equilibrium to be touched. Both of those get touched. So now we move down to the 1 minute. What happens on the 1 minute? Right here. We inverse this gap right here. Whew, immediate. Put the trade in. I have 1 TP. I could have done 2 if I went up. No. Well, yeah, actually, no. I couldn't have done 2. I could have done 1. That was it. This was the only TP I could have went for. Although I'm very surprised because this is a lot of low resistance liquidity. So I'm surprised we didn't go any higher up. But I mean, it was a little later in the day, 9:30. So it makes sense. But as you can see, we got a 1.67 to 1. Made like $1,900, somewhere around there. I mean, we could check TradeZilla. Excuse me, sorry. You could also see from yesterday or Friday. Yeah. 1.82689. This is what I made. So far, I mean, I've definitely made some mistakes. This could have been a green day if I made the take profit for the second trade bigger. And this day, I don't even think it was that bad of a day. I don't remember though. Or I think it was this day. I don't know though. Bitch always got something to say. I hate this bitch. Really do. She always got some shit to say. This one is a perfect day though, yeah? Yeah, alright. So far in the month, I'm up $700, but also doesn't account for the Monday that I made $700. So I'm up like 1.5% in the month. I could care less. It's not really that time to be giving a fuck. So, sorry, I'm taking a lot of fucking drinks. I've got a diet. This is Culver, so I got a diet fucking root beer. It's because I wanted some that's a little sugary. Or taste sugary. But, again, good start to the week. I probably won't trade tomorrow. We'll have to see. I will be on the charts, though, because, as you can see, this is a lot. So we'll have to see what happens. Wednesday, I'll probably trade if there's a setup. Thursday, I probably won't trade because of CPI. Friday, I might trade because there's no news. But that's probably what's going to happen. And then, I mean, of course, next week, maybe trade Monday. Probably won't trade Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Or probably even Friday. So at most, I'll probably trade just Monday. Maybe Tuesday, maybe Friday. And then after that, I mean, maybe Monday, probably not Tuesday because of FOMC, and not Wednesday because it's right before, right here, this bank holiday of New Year's Eve where we start a new year and we go through everything. But that's really it. That's my plan for 2025 at this point, the next 2 weeks. We're done with that. But I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. This is what happened. I felt, by the way, oh, I forgot to say, bro, when I won, I didn't give a fuck. I was so tired. Yo, I was so tired that I just didn't give a fuck when I won. I swear to God. I was sitting there like, alright, cool, I get to go to bed. I did not care. I just wanted that trade to be over, bro. I was so tired. So the past 2 days, like on Friday too, I didn't really care. I wasn't like stressing because I was like, that's how I would backtest that 100%. Every time. I'd keep it short on the second trade. That's exactly how I'd backtest it every single time. Didn't care how the result was. Today, same thing. I'd backtest it that way 100% of the time. So I think that's what it is. So keeping that mindset going, I hope that everything goes well. I don't think anything is going to be rad. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Please be safe. Boom, bing, bing, bang, boom, boom, boom. I love y'all. Peace.